So when you want to add numbers, you just type in the word print, and in this case you'll type in 3.3 plus 4 plus 5. You'll see a little prompt. It looks like a series of greater than signs, and then you hit the enter key and you'll see the answer on the screen. There's also a import math module, and that's for advanced mathematics like trigonometry. I was going to say trigonometric functions, but trigonometry, as well as some advanced algebra functions like the square root function. So you can see there, that's how you set it up, where you just type in the abbreviation SQRT, and then in parentheses you'll have the number that you want to take the square root, and then you hit the enter key, and then you get the answer. So in this case, if you did square parentheses 4, you hit the enter key, you'll get the number 2. Also, page 35, there's a way where you can get help. In this case, they call them keywords, or a listing of topics. So there you can see how that's formatted. You have help, and then you'll put in parentheses with quotations, topics. Likewise for your keywords, the same format, help, parentheses, and in between the quotations you have keywords, and the last item is there, help, parentheses, keywords, and modules. And what modules are basically, well, like the math functions. Okay, there's some graphic modules. One we're going to be looking at later on in this course is Pygame. You can create modules, which we'll learn how to do that, so that you can create your final course project. So again, if you get stuck on just trying to understand, keywords or topics, this is how you do it. You use the help command, and it's like the function key within the Windows environment. So, covered a lot of material. Again, just a brief overview. Next week we'll get down and dirty. We'll roll up our sleeves, and I'll show you some cool things that you can do. I'll do a review of the scripting capabilities that I just mentioned. But again, once you get comfortable with this programming language, we want to test your new skills. So that's what the course project is about, and it's about building a nice little application that you can show your family and friends, maybe even the local makerspace. And there's your two choices, a hangman and a dice simulation game. And depending on how things are going, if you guys want to do it as a group project, we can do that, I believe, in a collaborative effort, or if you want to do it individually. Once the website is up and I start to get feedback, we'll make a determination via the consensus how everyone wants to proceed. But these are the two projects I think you guys will have a lot of fun with. And again, I will provide support in terms of handouts, and the course lecture notes will give you some tips and tricks on how to set those two applications up. So I mentioned about support. That ties in with the office hours. I will have a course syllabus. It'll be online, and you will see what my office hours are, and will help in terms of if you got some challenges with the homework assignments, or you just need to kind of go back over some lessons that we discussed. I'm there to provide that support. Also, like I say, I'll have additional handouts and some game support tools where it'll help you to be successful in developing your application. And also, a final note, on the last day of class there will be a game demonstration where, if it's individually or if you guys decide you want to do it as a group, then we'll set it up so it'll be live, and I think it'll be a lot of fun, where we can see the faces and kind of look at different solutions to solve, in this case, develop a game application, either a hangman or dice simulation. So that's pretty much it for this first session. Again, we're going to roll up our sleeves next week, and we're going to have more interactivity. Okay, so have a good day, and I'll see you next week. Bye.